In today's Sensors for Forming and Fabrication video, I'll discuss how installing piledriver inductive proximity sensors can dramatically increase your machine's parts count and efficiency. What is a piledriver? It's a proximity sensor that, instead of having a plastic end cap, utilizes stainless steel sensing face technology that's been proven in endurance tests to last over 20 times longer than traditional models. That means worn out sensors that are being replaced every 2 weeks wouldn't need swapped out for a full year or more if they were converted to a piledriver model. Inductive sensors like the one here are designed to verify the position of metal parts, but the range is typically only a few millimeters. So in applications with loose tolerances, like here where a worker manually drops a part into position, the part-in-place sensors continuously get hit and scraped. Eventually the line's going to stop and the sensors are going to need replaced. So if you're changing out battered plastic face sensors that look like this, or go from this to this too soon for your liking, a piledriver model could be exactly what you need to slash or even completely eliminate your sensor-related downtime. Welding is one of the most challenging environments for inductive sensors, as the combination of extremely high temperatures and molten weld slag is lethal to traditional electronics and cables. This regular sensor was pulled from a weld fixture. You can see that the slag is bonded to the barrel and the cable's scorched due to the weak protection offered by an aftermarket sleeve. Installing a weld-immune piledriver sensor solves both problems. The baked-in black armor coating prevents slag from bonding to the housing, and our patented orange POC cable withstands the most intense welding heat. Check out how it outperforms an equivalent PVC cable when subjected to the heat of a blowtorch. The gray melts away, while the orange is practically burn-proof. In comparison to welding, stamping and machining operations rely on a slightly different set of piledriver attributes. The sensing face's ability to withstand abrasion and impact remains extremely important, but if the cable isn't up to the task, the durability of the housing really doesn't matter. Just as POC is great for surviving extreme welding heat, a polyurethane jacket is ideal for stamping and machining environments. It's both cut-proof and able to survive constant exposure to chemically aggressive lubricants. Pepperl+Fuchs offers over 150 different metal face sensors in both cylindrical and rectangular housing forms. And if you can't find a catalog piledriver that fits a particularly unique need, contact us to see if our sensor engineering team can design you a custom model. And by the way, don't forget to check out our Pepperl+Fuchs metal forming landing page for helpful application reports and tutorials.